Hey, hi, welcome to kidso'lab. Hope you all are going well. So, today here I'm with a new pop up cards. Here it is a three-fold Christmas card. You can utilize this type of card on your Father's Day, on Mother's Day, on New Year, or any birthday cards. Also, you can prepare that one, and all these agendas or whatever is written, you can write it from your own side. Here I'm just going to give you the basic knowledge and basic details so that you can prepare this kind. So, and if you are new to my channel, then kindly do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And if you like this video, then turn white thumb blue. So let's start with the black color paper. First of all, fold it likewise on the half, and again fold them all two of the halves to more of the halves, so that you can get the four equal parts, four equal rectangular paper. And with another paper, draw the half of Christmas and just cut it out so that you can get the Christmas tree. Yes, like this. Now apply the glue on it and then paste it over each of this side. You have to take out two pieces like this so that you can paste it on both of the sides. Do as shown in the video. Yes, and press it and leave it for some time for dry. Yes, do the same on the other side. Now apply the glue on the inner side also, so that we will fold it. Only to the margin area, so that it can give you a tree structure, three-dimensional tree. For this Christmas tree, I really advise you to use the green color paper. Now take some white paint on the used brush and just sprinkle it over this on the black paper, so that it will look like this dark nights with snowfall area. And now take out half of the star from the white glitter paper and paste it on either side of the card. Do it carefully so that it will look even and symmetrical from both of the sides. Now paste it, and after applying the glue, kindly leave it for some time. Now it turn to use the ribbon. Take white color ribbon because it is the contrast of the black color paper, and take the ribbon of required length and first make the placement, and only on their end side, each of their end side, apply the glue. Yes, like this. Now take one brush and from its back side use different color and just draw some circle over there, so that it will give you that Christmas balls. It's just the illusion. You can use any other color also. Here I have used red, yellow, white. Decoration is always up to you, so that you can use your creativity on it also. Do not do the copy and paste it. Okay, you can utilize your own creativity. Just follow likewise. And inside this, whatever the quotation, if you write any messages, you can write it over there. No need to write whatever I have written. This is the only agenda that I have prepared for my school, and you can prepare it by your own choice. Kindly watch this video till the end. Do not skip the video. Now it's time for the snowman. And for the snowman, take the two circular size paper. One is the bigger, one is the smaller, as you can see them, and paste it. And then now draw the eyes. You can draw the eyes with black color sketch pen. Along with that, there are buttons. Because this is only the two-dimensional, here I have made this. You can make it as three-dimensional too, but For the pop-up card or for the three-fold card where we are going to use it, it is no use of to make the three-dimensional snowman. Now for the smiley, also we can use this black color sketch pen. For its tie, you can use the red color strip papers and orange color nose as like a carrot. And here we done with our pop-up cards. It's very easy. You can follow it step by step, but I would like to request you kindly use your own brain, use your own creativity and do something more innovative so that it will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Hope you all liked it. And if you really like this video, then turn white thumb blue. It is going to helpful in your to make others happy also. Okay. Till then, bye bye.